Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss regarding the Eamcet 2020 response sheet, key papers and regarding the result dates. So to know complete details, make sure to watch this video completely, don't skip any part. So before starting with the video, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first of all, we will be discussing regarding the answer key. So the answer key of APMCET examination which were held on 17, 18, 21st, 22nd and 23rd September 2020 will be available to download for the students on the official website of APMCET 2020 on 26 September 2020. So this was regarding the engineering stream. So if you talk regarding the agriculture stream, so the agriculture examination is going to be held on 23rd, 24th and 25th September. So the date of both engineering and agriculture declaration of premier key is 26 September 2020. So now we will be discussing regarding the response sheet. So first of all we will know what is the response sheet. Response sheet means your question paper. So in that you can see that for a particular question what is the correct answer and what option you have chosen for it. So once the response sheet is released, you can easily calculate how many marks you are getting in APMCET 2020 examination. So the response sheet will be available to download for the students who are writing APMCET 2020 examination on 26 September 2020. Both premier key and response sheet will be released together. So finally, if we talk regarding the results, mostly the final results of APMCET 2020 will be released after 1 week of releasing of premier key. So we can expect final results of APMCET 2020 in the first week of October. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. And if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section. Make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description where you can find fast and latest update regarding APMCET 2020 and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.